On today's menu, a delicious recipe that's easy to make and has a fiery personality. Vegan coconut chili ramen. Lei Hou Ma, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This ramen recipe is amazing. It will literally blow your mind. This is how you make it. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Roughly crush a quarter cup of chickpeas. Roughly dice a quarter cup worth of bamboo. Before we actually start cooking, there's a couple things you'll need to prep in advance, and this is that amazing veggie stock I made in the previous episode. I'll leave a link in the description box below to show you how easy it is to make that incredible veggie stock, plus this amazing ruby red chili oil. And I'll leave a link in the description box below to show you how easy it is to make this as well. You definitely have to make these two things before getting started on this ramen. Another important ingredient in this ramen is this doubanjiang, or a Szechuan style broad bean sauce or broad bean paste, chili paste. Really pungent in flavor, absolutely incredible. Really beautiful red color as well. You'll be able to find this in a local Asian supermarket. Sauté pan, medium heat, tablespoon of toasted sesame oil. Sauté a small bunch of broccolini for a couple of minutes. Set aside. Pan back on the heat, add a tablespoon of chili oil, chickpeas and bamboo. About a teaspoon of soy sauce. Sauté for a few minutes and turn the heat off. Set aside. Add a generous tablespoon of doubanjiang followed by 2.5 cups of veggie stock. Turn the heat up to medium-high. Stir in a quarter cup of coconut cream. Cook the ramen noodles to package instructions, in this case 4 minutes. Bowl. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon cane sugar, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar. Gently stir the ramen noodles to keep them from sticking. Pour the broth into the bowl. When the noodles are done, strain them out and add them into the bowl. Broccolini, chickpea and bamboo. Garnish with some chili threads. Freshly chopped green onion, and about a tablespoon more of chili oil. You can now make this delicious and beautiful ramen with absolute confidence. My goodness, that is pure happiness in a bowl. Look at that. Try some of the broth. Oh man. That is so flavorful. It is absolutely insane. It's salty, it's a bit spicy. a little bit of sweetness from the cane sugar, and you get that amazing smokiness from that homemade chili oil. Everything just works together, and the flavor is so complex. And really, that was so simple to put together with a little bit of prep in advance. I mean, ramen is just so amazing, such an amazing dish. You have just different textures and different flavors, so comforting. Those noodles just soak up all of that amazing flavor from the broth. And that coconut cream just adds that next level sort of a layer of, because aromatic, it's a little bit coconutty, but it's not overpowering. Man, that is really, really delicious. And you have that tender, al dente little bites from the broccolini. The texture from the chickpeas and the texture from the bamboo really adds into kind of the meatiness of everything. Just absolutely delicious. So much goodness in one bowl. That is really just phenomenal. By the way, if you love noodle recipes like I do, then be sure to check out or get your copy of the Vegan Ramen Cookbook that was published not too long ago. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check this out. Plus, in that same link, you can also watch the entire first class of the new plant-based sushi making masterclass. And that is a 5-class series designed and curated to help you make amazing, delicious, and stunning sushi right at home. Of course, as always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.